Have you ever stood in front of the mirror, squinting your eyes, trying to catch a glimpse of the woman you know is inside, but the reflection just isn't cooperating yet? Honestly, it can be so frustrating, and it is a feeling so many of us in the trans community know by heart. You are trying to envision your future, trying to see how a change in hairstyle, a bit of makeup, or softer features might completely transform how you present to the world. It is a beautiful, exciting, but sometimes incredibly daunting phase of the journey. But what if I told you that you do not have to just rely on your imagination anymore? Today, we are diving into something truly life-changing, quite literally. We are talking about how you can use artificial intelligence as a safe, private sandbox to preview your look as an MTF woman. It is like having a digital magic mirror that lets you explore your authentic self at your own pace, right from your phone or laptop. Before we jump into the tech side of things, let's just take a deep breath and acknowledge how massive this is. Transitioning, or even just exploring your gender identity, is a deeply personal, often vulnerable experience. In the past, trying out a new look meant buying expensive makeup you didn't know how to use, figuring out wig sizes, or risking awkward stares at a retail counter before you were ready. Could feel like a lot of pressure, you know? But AI changes the game entirely. It gives you a judgment-free zone to experiment, to play, and most importantly, to see the possibilities that lie ahead. It is not about creating a fake version of yourself. It is about unlocking a vision of your future and giving yourself the confidence to take those next steps, whatever they might be. So, how exactly do we make this happen? Well, there are a few different ways to approach it depending on what you are looking for, and we are going to break down the best tools and techniques to get you started. The most accessible starting point for a lot of girls is face swapping and gender swapping applications. Now, I know what you might be thinking, oh, those silly filters on social media? Yes and no. While some of them are just for laughs, the underlying technology has gotten incredibly sophisticated. Apps like FaceApp or Rimini use advanced neural networks to map your facial structure and apply highly realistic feminine traits. When you use these, the trick is to start with a really good base photo. Find a spot with bright, natural lighting, look directly into the camera with a neutral or slight smile, and make sure your hair isn't covering your face too much. When the AI applies the feminine filter, it is going to adjust things like your jawline, smooth out skin texture, and maybe add some subtle eye makeup or a longer hairstyle. When you see that generated image for the very first time, it can be an incredibly emotional moment. For a lot of trans women, it is the first time they see the woman they have always felt like looking back at them. It validates everything. But here is a little piece of advice from the heart. Don't let the AI dictate an unrealistic standard. These apps can sometimes over-glamorize or heavily filter images, making them look like a supermodel photo shoot. Remember, the goal here is to preview your authentic self, not an unachievable digital perfection. Use it as a guide, a source of inspiration, and a reminder of the beautiful feminine features that are already uniquely yours. If you want to go a step further than just a simple quick filter, you can explore generative AI art tools like Midjourney or Stable Diffusion. These platforms are incredibly powerful because they allow you to use text prompts to create completely custom images. Imagine uploading a photo of yourself and then typing in a prompt like, a realistic portrait of a transgender woman with soft features, long chestnut hair, wearing a casual summer dress, smiling warmly. The AI takes your facial structure and weaves it into that exact scenario. This is amazing for previewing not just your face, but your whole vibe, your style, and how you might look in different clothing or environments. It lets you try on different aesthetics, whether you are vibing with a cozy indie look, a sleek professional style, or a glamorous evening outfit. You can see yourself thriving in different spaces, and that is a massive boost for your confidence. Now, let's talk about hair and makeup, because let's be real, learning how to do makeup and finding the right hairstyle can feel like learning a whole new language. This is where specialized AI beauty apps come in handy. Tools like Perfect 365 or various virtual try-on features from major beauty brands let you test out specific products and styles digitally. You can see how a specific shade of lipstick complements your skin tone, or how a certain shape of eyebrow completely changes the framing of your face. Want to see if bangs would suit you before you actually commit to cutting your hair? There is an AI for that. Want to know if a smoky eye or a natural look works better for your eye shape? You can test it out in seconds. It saves you so much time, money, and let's face it, the frustration of smudging eyeliner for the 10th time in a row. You can find exactly what works for you digitally, and then use that as a blueprint for when you are ready to try it out in the real world. As amazing as all this technology is, we have to talk about privacy and emotional safety, because your peace of mind is the most important thing. When you are uploading your photos to these platforms, always take a quick second to check the privacy settings. Opt for apps that don't store your images on public servers or use them for training data without your consent. This is your private exploration, and it should stay that way until you decide otherwise. On an emotional level, be gentle with yourself. Sometimes, looking at an AI-generated version of yourself can trigger a bit of dysphoria if you feel like your current reality is too far away from that digital image. If that happens, take a step back. Remind yourself that transition is a journey, a beautiful marathon, not a sprint. The AI is showing you a destination, a spark of potential, but the magic is in the steps you take every day to honor who you are. Using AI to preview your look is ultimately about empowerment. It is about taking control of your narrative and giving yourself the permission to dream visually. It is a tool for self-discovery that belongs completely to you. You can experiment with 1,000 different looks in the comfort of your own space, with zero judgment and 100% freedom. It is a way to bridge the gap between where you are right now and where you are going, making the future feel a little more tangible, a little closer, and a whole lot more exciting. You are uncovering the woman who has been there all along, and that is a beautiful thing. Thank you so much for spending this time with me today on My Life, My Rules. If this video brought a smile to your face or gave you a little extra spark of hope, please hit that subscribe button and join our incredible, supportive community. I would love to hear from you in the comments. Have you ever tried using AI to explore your look? And what was that experience like for you? Let's chat down below, share our stories, and lift each other up. Don't forget to check out our other videos for more love, advice, and queer empowerment. Keep being beautifully, authentically you, because the world needs your light. Every single step you take toward your truth, no matter how small or whether it happens on a screen or in front of a real mirror, is an act of pure courage. You deserve to see yourself, to love yourself, and to occupy your space in this world with absolute pride. Remember, the technology is just a mirror, but the magic, the strength, and the undeniable beauty, that is all you, sis. You have got this, and you are never walking this path alone. See you in the next video.